Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Keep calm and love maths. So today we will learn some base of maths, how to solve the problem, how to deal with maths. So today we will learn some funs of maths. So आपने कभी सोचे है कि maths के fun है? I will say it has definitely some funs, but sometimes maths hacks, right? क्या आप सभी लोगों के साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है कि आप मैथ्स करते रहते हैं और मैथ्स के प्रॉब्लम करते रहते हैं पर बीसों बीस कभी स्टाक हो जाते हैं, राइट? सो ऐसा क्यों होता है? समटाइम्स वी हैव टू फेस some problems while calculating some problems or doing some problems in maths, right? So I will teach you some maths hacks or tips how to overcome them. So let's start. First of all, you all know about under root, right? Square root. You all know what is a square root. How to find the square root of a number. You all know, right? If I say x is equal to root over 49, then what will be the value of x? We are given that x is equal to root over 49 under root 49, and there are some tables of square roots of numbers. All know that root over 4 equal 2, no doubt root over 16 equal 4. Similarly, root over 49 equal what? It will be 7. So whenever we are given that x is equal to root over 49, then the value of x will be 7 only, right? But sometimes, one of you thinks that whenever x is given as root over 49, then it will be the value with the plus minus sign and 7. Some of you or everybody mistakes there that whenever we are given x equal root over 49, they write or they think that x will be equal to plus minus 7. Why? Because some thinks that root over, whenever we have the under root or square root of a number, then for this square root we have to put this plus minus sign, but actually this is not happening. This is not right. What is the right is whenever we are given x is equal to root over 49, then x will be 7 only. So these are very basic, but sometimes everybody of us don't know some basic things of math. So I have taken these things to you so that it will be helpful to you. So whenever x is equal root over 49 or any whole number, suppose x is equal to root over 121, then it will be only the square root of this value, that is 7, not plus minus. And here x will be equal to 11, because all we know that 11 square is equal to 121. So under root of 121 will be 11 only, not plus minus 7, not plus minus 11. So this is not right. But yes, there is a point writing the plus minus sign in front of a number. How? If we are given that x squared, sorry, this pen has no ink. So suppose we are given that x squared equal 49. Suppose we are given as x squared equal 49. In this case, we have to write plus minus root over 49. Here the plus minus sign is necessary. This is important here because here we are given that x square is equal to 49. If I write this, it means we have a state. So whenever the square term here, if we have to find the value of x, then taking square root on both sides, what will be? Square root of x square equals square root of 49. Whenever we take the square root of an expression, then here always you write plus minus. How? I will show. Definitely here square root and 2 cancels out. It will be x equal plus minus 7. So here you are thinking that why if we are given that x is equal to root over 49, then the value of x is 7. But whenever we are given x square equal 49, we have to take x as plus minus 7. You are thinking why? So the point is, if I say x square equal 49, then it can be written in this way also. That is, the plus 49, if we take this on left hand side, this become minus 49, all you know, I hope. Then x square minus 49 is what? It is 7 square. So this is similar to you because this is like a square minus b square, and the result of a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. Everybody knows it, right? Now here it will become x plus 7 into x minus 7 equal to 0. Then if we have two factors, multiplication factors, and this multiplication is equal to 0, this means either this part should be 0 or this part should be 0. So either x plus 7 equals 0 or x minus 7 equals, right? Now x plus 7 equals 0 gives x equal, and x minus 7 equals 0 gives x equal plus 7. Here you go. X will be equal to plus minus 7, right? So whenever we are given that x square equal 49, or suppose x square equals some constant, then the value of x will be plus minus some result, right? So if we don't know this, then we should miss a solution of this x. If we don't know this, then we would have missed a solution of x, because if I will write here that x square equals 7 square, square cancels out, then x equals 7. But this process is definitely wrong. This is wrong, but the right method is this. So whenever it is given as x square equal 121, x square equal 49, x square equal 25, or blah blah blah, then the value will be plus minus something. That means x square, since the power here is 2, and we all know that if we have the power of a variable is 2, then this is called quadratic equation. Quadratic. If the power is 2, then it is called quadratic. And from the name, and quadratic equation have two solutions. You should know that. You all know, I think, but if you don't know, you should know that the solution of a quadratic equation is always 2. The number of solution of a quadratic equation is always 2, not only 1. So here x square is a quadratic expression, x square equal 49, this is a quadratic equation. Therefore, solution of x will be 2, not only 1, not this case. This is definitely wrong, but some of the students always face some problems. They write that x square equal 49 means x square equals 7 square, square cancels out, then they take x equals 7, but this is definitely wrong. If we proceed to this method, then we are missing some solution. So I hope this point is clear to you. So the first point was about square root of a number. So what? The first maths hack is about square root. Square root of a number. In the example, I write x equal root over 49 means 7 only, and x square equal 49 means x equal plus minus 7. So I hope this point is clear to you. Now point number 2. Point number 2 is that sometimes when we calculate some problems, when we doing some problems in maths, we get confused. So suppose we are telling about how to show a function is 1 1. To show a function 1 1, that is injective. Whenever we have to show a function is 1 1, that is injective, then we assume f of x1 equal f of x2. Then by definition of this function, it will be x1 square equal x2 square. But sometimes some of the students, not all the students, because a few students know about these rules, they are concerned about this, but some of them fails to solve this. They think x1 equal x2 because they think that square terms cancels out, or they think while taking under root on both sides, then they think that this cancels out and the result will be x1 equal x2. But not all the times x1 equal x2, because sometimes x1 equal plus minus x2. So how? I have shown you in the first one, again I am repeating, that x1 square equal x2 square. Let us take the part of 1 1 or injectivity of a function aside, because I am talking about the math hacks or some tricks of maths. So whenever we have x1 square equal x2 square, then it means x1 square minus x2 square equals 0. Then it is in the form a square minus b square, so a plus b into a minus b equals 0. So in the similar way as we have done before, x1 will be equal to minus x2 and x1 will be equal to x2. Therefore, x1 equal plus minus x2. So if we proceed to the rule that if we take under root on both sides, then the under root and square term cancels out, it becomes x1 equal x2. This is, we cannot say it wrong, but if we proceed to this method, we should have missed one of the solution of x. Therefore, should not proceed to this method, right? So I hope trick number 2 is also clear to you. Trick number 2, example. In the example, whenever x1 equal x2 square, it does not mean that x1 equal to x2, but this is wrong, but x1 will be equal to plus minus x2. How? I have just shown, right? Now, trick number 3. So our trick number 3 is how to memorize the multiplication table for 9. Actually, it's very simple, and I know that all of you or maximum of you know the multiplication table of 9, but some students of lower classes, they fail to memorize things like this. So how to memorize the multiplication table for 9? Because I know and I'm writing the multiplication table for 9, that is 9 1 0 9, 9 2 0 18 to 9 10 0 90, no doubt. But whenever we ask a student of lower class, suppose the student is of class 7 or 6, some of the students fail to reply whenever their teacher asks that what is the value of 9 into 7. They repeat, they calculate in mind that 9 1 0 9, 9 2 0 18, 9 3 0 27, then 9 sevens are, they stuck there. So it's very easy. So I hope this video will be also helpful to some parents who will definitely help their children to memorize the multiplication table for 9. So that is 9 1 0 9, 9 2 0 18. So here a very interesting or amazing thing here, that is, if I notice that 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, the numbers are serially from 0 to 9, right? The first digit of these numbers are serially from 0 to 9, right? So 9109, 92018. So here 9109, you can write 9 only, but I take the 9 in two digits. That is, if we put 0 before this 9, then there is no sense. This means 9 only. So the second digit of these numbers, you can see from the bottom to top that the numbers are 0 to 9. So in the bottom it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The top is 9. So to memorize the multiplication table for 9, that is, the value of this will be in two digits, no doubt. But the first digit starts from 0 up to 9, and the second digits start from 0 to 9, but from bottom to top. So I hope whenever to write what is the value of 9 sevens are, or what is the value of 9 six are, I hope now there will be no problem because you know the multiplication table of 9 in a better way. So this is the trick number 3. Again, we have some tips for another multiplication table. So the trick number 4 is how to find a value of a number that is multiplied with 11. So this means how to find the value of a number which is multiplied with 11. Suppose we are given that 38 into 11. Suppose we have to find the value of 38 into 11, then we normally do that 38 into 11, 8 1 0 8, 3 1 0 3, then again 8 1 0 8, 3 1 0 3, then the value is 8 plus 3 11, 1 remaining, 3 plus 1 4. So the value is 418. But sometimes in some cases it takes too much time, so we have to do it in a shorter time. So the short trick is whenever we have to multiply a number with the number 11, Then you first take the first digit, also the first digit of this result, and the second digit is the last digit of this result. Then you have to add these two digits. You have to add the two digits. So this will not be like 3388. I am trying to say is 3 8, and 8 plus 3 is 11, all we know. But here not will be 11. Here it will be 11's second digit here 1, and the remaining 1 is add here. So the result will be 418. I repeat again the trick, that is, its result will be, first of all you write this 3 here and again this 8 here, then add these two numbers, then it will be 11, no doubt. But here second digit comes and the first digit adds here, so it will be 418. So if we can use this trick, we can easily find the value of a number which is multiplied with 11. Now again, if we see what is the value of 11 into 14, then this is very easy. What it will be, first of all you write 1 and 4 here, 1 and 4 here, then 4 plus 1 5. And who knows the multiplication table of 11? So definitely it is 154. 14 11s are 154. Similarly, 11 11s are 121. How? So if we use this trick, I can say, first of all you have to write the first digit in the first place and the second digit in the last place, then add these two digits, then it will be 1 plus 1 2, so the result is 121. So this is the trick to remember the multiplication table of 11. So I hope these tricks are very helpful and easily understanding, right? So if you like this video and if you are enjoying, then please do subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications. So till then, take care and bye bye.